before editing. Create new project. Select video. Tap video layer. Go to adjust. Tape to graph. Turn it, like me. Tape to done. Go to video effect. Select blur effect. Select in 5 radiation. Expand it in full video. Scroll all line in max quality. Now export. Wait for 100. Tap done. Create one more new project. Add video. Tap overlay. Tap add overlay. Select last created video. Tap layer. Tap blinding. Select burn. Change opacity in 25. Adjust new layer in full screen. Tap overlay. Add white color image. Zoom in full screen. Expand in full video. Go blinding. Select overview. Select opacity in 40. Tap first layer. Go adjust. Contrast -9. Resolution +20. Exposure -5. Sharpen +100. Temperature +22. Vignette +4. Tap to done. Go to filter. Select Tourist filter. Opacity 65. Tap to done. Now scroll in max resolution, frame rate, and code rate Mbps. Then export.